Hey there guys, this is Killian. I'm just going to be giving a basic introduction to computer science. This is episode 0, this is just something getting started. This is going to be laying out the foundations of what we're going to be learning over the next however long this takes. In the series, we will cover basic topics at first. Later on, after these videos are made, first of all I'll cover the basic topics, and then after I've finished covering most of the basic topics, I'll move on to explain those topics in greater detail. The series should cater to anyone, no matter their level of tech savviness. The tech savvy of you out there can skip to the later on videos when I do make them, which explain the topics in more detail. The course covers hardware, software, networks, and mathematical computer science. I'd also just like to say as a precursor that if you think that you can learn computer science devoid of a passion or tolerance for maths, then you need to rethink, because computer science and maths go hand in hand, and you cannot learn computer science without a basic knowledge for maths. Now, the basic maths will be explained, but if you do not take well to maths, then you should probably brush up on that before you delve into this course. The structure of the series will be laid out in such a way because it'll be kind of complicated because YouTube doesn't really support nested playlists. Now, by nested playlists, I mean playlists within playlists. So what happens is the series as a whole will be given one playlist. So we'll have the playlist name will be Introduction to Computer Science, and then episodes 0 to however many episodes there will be inside that playlist. Each topic will then have its own separate playlist, like CPUs, and each subtopic of that topic will also have its own playlist, and the topic will be named, it should be named Introduction to Computer Science, CPUs, ALUs. This will look very convoluted because of the lack of parent-child playlists, but this is the most efficient way of organizing the videos. Not only is it the most efficient, it's also the most functional. Now, I also had an idea where I would upload a video with a content table in the description with links to all the various videos and playlists. I think that might work too, but I'll do both. I thought that it was important that you guys know a bit about me. So my name's Killian Scott. I'm a 16-year-old hobbyist programmer, web designer, and music producer, maths enthusiast. I live in Ireland and currently attend a small local secondary school in the west of the country. Now, if you're wondering how you should use the videos in this series, it depends on where you are with computer science. If you are a complete noob starting from scratch, then you need to start at episode 0 and progress in increments of 1. So just go 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, if there are some things you come across that you already know, you can skip to the later, more advanced videos on those topics. Say if you already know, for example, about CPUs, then you can completely skip that section if you want, which is completely advisable, and I would totally recommend doing that if you already know what's in the video. Now, what you will be taught in the video should be outlined clearly at the start, just so that you know what the video covers before you actually watch the video. This is just to make it easier for you guys. And that's all for episode 0. I hope you can learn something from this series, and I wish you all the best.